All right, guys, I'm going to help you out, give you some instructions, coach you up a little bit on this first activity on Junior Achievement, the online game. What we're going to do with this first activity is we're going to figure out what your net monthly income is. Okay, so what we're going to do is start over here. When you first go into the game, you know how you made your Abby and it tells you your random life scenario? Well, this is mine. I'm an accountant. I'm 29. I'm married. I have 2 kids. Down here, it tells you about your education background, but right here, if you click financial information, what it's going to do is tell you how much you make a year and how much taxes come out of your paycheck. So let me go through that with you real quick, and we're going to use this information to figure out what your net monthly income is. Okay, so gross annual income, what the heck is that? This is going to be how much you make per year before any taxes or deductions come out of your paycheck. Okay. Annual means how much you make in the year. Okay, so or annual just means in general yearly. Okay, we're trying to figure out how much you make per month, and this word net is going to be what you make, whether it's your net annual income or your net monthly income, doesn't matter. But the word net means what you make after taxes and deductions come out. So gross is before taxes. Net is after taxes, so you can do your budget. You actually know what you're bringing home. So we're going to start here with your salary for the year. Okay, gross annual income. I'll make $59,088. So you're going to enter that into line 1 just like it is. Now you guys pay attention because your number is going to be different than mine because everybody has a different job. Now this is for the entire year. Line number 2 asks you to take this number and divide it by the number 12 because there's 12 months in a year. So go over here to this calculator and you're going to type the number in, 59,088. Okay, that's your gross annual income. And then you're going to divide it by the number 12 for 12 months in a year. I need to tell you about the buttons on this calculator. This backslash, that's going to be the division sign. This asterisk is going to be multiplication. The minus is subtraction. And of course, the plus sign is addition. They want us to divide. So we're going to click the backslash, and we're going to divide it by 12. Equals, so we get a number of 49,024. Click that in line 2, or enter it into line 2. Okay, now we're going to move on. Now for lines 3, 4, and 5, they want you to enter in how much taxes are going to come out, are going to be deducted out of your paycheck each month. See, it says monthly federal income tax, monthly Social Security tax, and monthly Medicare taxes. All that information is over here on your financial information sheet. You literally just take these numbers and plug them into the right category. So for your monthly federal income tax, it's going to be $246. Of course, your information again might be different than mine. It probably will be because we all have different scenarios. So make sure you're paying attention to these numbers, not just copying mine from this video. Okay. Everyone's going to have 3 tax deductions coming out of their paycheck. Okay. You just enter them over here. Line number 6, what you're going to do is now we're going to add up line 3, 4, and 5. And then we're going to enter that number right here so we can figure out what is the total amount of deductions coming out of our paycheck per month. So over here, we're going to enter 246 plus 148 plus our last tax is 98 bucks. $492 per month is coming out of our paycheck. All right, last thing. To give us our net monthly income, we're going to follow line 7, and that's going to give us our number that we're looking for. Okay? You're going to simply take and subtract line 6 from line 2. So line 6 was your total deductions coming out of your paycheck, and line 2 is your gross monthly income, so before any taxes come out. Okay, so you're going to type in the larger number first, 4924, and you're going to subtract the smaller number here from line 6, 492. Okay, 492 bucks. It equals, and that's going to give you how much you make. Just enter it in that last line. So I messed up. Here we go. So this is how much you make bring home after taxes. This is your net monthly income of $4,432. You hit submit and it should say congratulations. There it is. Give me 1,000 points. Okay, and you hit continue to move on to your next activity. Hope this helped.